Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to add the search, sort, and filter function to your content. In this example, we're adding the function to an existing employee directory, allowing the end user to streamline results and find contacts faster. To get started, head to the Pages section from the admin homepage. Subject to having the right role, you can get back to the admin homepage at any time with your platform's URL, followed by /dashboard. Then, select your employee directory page and select the cog icon as shown here. In the Content Modal window, you will see that Design List is the second section available. Navigate to this section by selecting Continue. In the Features field, select the Searching, Sorting, and Filtering option. Then, scroll down to the Searching, Sorting, and Filtering section and check all the options you would like to include. In this example, we're allowing users to search by full name and role. Under Sorting, enter the properties you wish to enable for the function. Add them with the plus icon and remove any with the cross icon. In this example, we're allowing the end user to sort by full name and manager. Check the field under Filtering and select the property types you wish to include in your filtering function. In this example, we're using Department and Manager. You can reorder your filters for the end user with the drag and drop function shown here. Then select Update when you're happy with your choices. As you can see, in this example, we can sort results by full name and manager, and filter the directory by manager or department. And we're using the search function to find the contacts we need. The item count will adjust based on the number of matches the search finds. Keyword searches can also be refined by adding filters over the top, as shown. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more by checking out Applaud Academy and our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.